Hello everyone, I am Sidra and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, we are making Barbeque Nation style Cajun potatoes. It's a quite simple restaurant style appetizer that you all will love. So let's begin. For this recipe, you will need 15 to 20 baby potatoes. Heat 4 to 5 cups of water in a pan. Add half a teaspoon salt. When the water starts boiling, drop the potatoes in and boil for around 15 to 20 minutes. When the potatoes are boiled, let them cool down for a while and place them on a flat surface. Now to flatten the potatoes, gently press it down one at a time using your palm. You can also use a spoon. Do not put too much pressure, otherwise the potatoes will not retain its shape. Now put them in a flat mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour and slowly coat them with the cornstarch and flour. Let it rest while we make the Cajun sauce. Take half a cup of mayonnaise, one tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, sprinkle some mixed herbs or oregano, 2 to 3 tablespoon milk. I have mixed the milk already with some mayonnaise. Now mix it well and the Cajun sauce is ready. Coming back to the potatoes, we will now fry them. Heat 3/4 cup oil in a pan and gently drop 5 to 6 potatoes at a time. Fry the potatoes on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they are light golden. And transfer them onto a paper towel to soak excess oil. Place the fried potatoes into a serving dish. Pour the Cajun sauce on top. Garnish with some chopped onions and freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve immediately. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet and make sure you have the bell notification on so you are notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.